Whoa.
Until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Blount, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. Remember, means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe
This
weather.
is station on North Alabama.
Hail and damaging winds in
And listen for later statements and possible warnings.
severe weather may not be
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 538 has been issued from 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties: Blount, Alabama.
From 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following
4 p.m.
in Alabama.
at Albertville.
Blount, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair.
I got down Arab. Or Arab. Arab. That was Arab.
95. Winds for west at 13 miles an hour.
Jefferson, Shelby, Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, and Chambers counties. Heat indices 106 to 109.
Chambers County. Where's that? That's not even near us. I'm in Jefferson County, and I got something from Chambers County. Chambers is not even served on my station.
Children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities early morning or evening.
Alright, yeah. Like I said, Chambers County does not get served on my station. But I'm under a watch now, so that's just great.